Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a Forman Mills small haul and another small Dollar Tree haul. So let's get started with Forman Mills. I just picked up one pair of these really cute, tiny, like they're skin tight, nice jeans. I like the pattern of these. They got like the zipper in the front, the pockets, and then it's got like this nice effect at the bottom. You know, like the middle to the bottom. So I found these really nice jeans. They're very stretchy and very thick. So I picked up one pair of those. Sorry about it not being folded at the moment. So I got those at Forman Mills. Then I found a whole bunch of these. Now I have one of these already. I believe it's Korean because the one I have, it looks just like this. It's Korean. I found the two-piece set. This is for the face. This is the collagen set. And oh, it says 4-piece skincare set. So what is in here? Okay, I got the collagen. Let's see if it zooms in. Zoom in, zoom in. I got the foam cleanser and collagen. You got the face moisturizer. That's all it shows. I don't know why it's saying 4-piece. Maybe there's like some like a sponge or something inside. I don't know. But I picked this up. You get the moisturizer and the face cleanser. And like I said, I had this already. This is Korean. This one looks just like this. Let me see if this is Korean. For this one here, I'm not sure. Unless it's a copycat. But it looks just like the one I have. And then I picked up another box of the same thing. This is the tea tree. So you get the tea tree moisturizer and the tea tree face cleanser. So I got the tea tree, the collagen. And then at Forman Mills, I picked up the rose hip and vitamin C. You get the moisturizer and the cleanser again. And then I bought one more box, and this one is the retinol. So you get a retinol cleanser and a moisturizer. So that's pretty cool. So I got one of each. And then at Dollar Tree, I found some new stuff. Not too much, but I picked up another new charger for the phones. These don't stay good forever. Sorry, guys, the packaging is wet. I just came from the rain. But anyway, they have like these little patterns, you know, in all crazy colors. Reminds me of the 80s. Just a cheap, you know. Then these were new. I never seen these there. And I usually buy their stir-fried pepper set. This is a different brand. This is the seasoning blend. And it's onions and celery with the red and green bell peppers with parsley. So this is good for soups, stews, your stuffings, chicken casseroles, whatever you want to do with them. I love this stuff. So I was happy to see that. I just picked up 2 bags for right now. And then I don't really make these like that. I usually do homemade kind or the Velveeta kind. I'm not too crazy about the, you know, the Hamburger Helper brand anymore. They're just kind of plain to me. So I'm going to jazz this up. I'm going to put my own stuff to it. But this one is the Philly cheesesteak one. So I'm going to do my own spin. I'm going to put my own crunchy cheese onions. I'm going to put melted cheese on it. I'm going to do my own thing. So I figured I'll just buy these. I just bought 2 for right now. So they have these at Dollar Tree. They also have like some kind of skillet potatoes and all that little stuff. And sweet potato casseroles. I'm not into those. But anyway, that's it, guys. That's all I picked up at Dollar Tree and Forman Mills. Thanks for watching this haul. Stay tuned for more videos. And I will be doing more soon again. Have a good day, guys. Bye.